Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Sharma. Today we will be discussing ledger and subsidiary books. In the last class we had discussed journal entries and I hope journal entries are clear to you. Okay, thank you Suresh. I hope journal entries are clear to you. Journal entries में आपको कोई डाउट नहीं है, ठीक है. बाकी journal entries जो होती हैं that is the base of accounting and journal is a little bit tougher than this ledger and now today's topic and the topic we will do in the next class, that is trial balance. So these are comparatively easy if you have understood journal. Journal is the very basic of accounting. So with starting with ledger, earlier I had discussed this accounting cycle to you. Earlier I had discussed accounting cycle with you. Wait a minute. ठीक है. In the accounting cycle, what did we really do is the very first step of accounting is a business transaction is identified, and when the business transaction is identified, it is recorded in journal, and from journal it goes to ledger. So what is the difference between journal and ledger is, in journal each and every transaction is recorded date wise as and when it happens. जैसे जैसे transactions होती रहेंगी उनको हम क्या करेंगे, date wise we record in this journal, and every transactions related to sale, transaction related to purchase, transaction related to rent paid, any expenses paid, income received, any asset purchased, asset sold, any transaction जर्नल किया हमने, उसमें बहुत सारी ट्रांजैक्शंस की हैं, तो एनी ट्रांजैक्शन इज नोटेड इन दिस जर्नल. सो देयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन इन द जर्नल, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी मेक लेजर. व्हेन वी मेक लेजर, लेजर इज आल्सो मेड डेट वाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेट्स, बट द डिफरेंस इज here there is the mixture and this mixture is sortified. Every transaction is recorded in its respective ledger. जितने भी नाम आपके journal entries में आते हैं, whether it is a real account, whether it is a nominal account, whether it is a personal account, any sort of account, उतने ही ledger बनाए जाते हैं, उतने ही ledger formats बनाए जाते हैं, and each and every head, each and every account is recorded differently in ledger. So all the transactions which were the mixture, which were recorded as a mixture in journal, are classified in various ledgers, right? So today what we will learn is, we will learn how do we post an entry in ledger. You have learned journal. Today we will learn how we will be posting an entry in a ledger. That we will understand, and we will also discuss the other subsidiary books, their formats, and what is to be recorded and what is not to be recorded. We will discuss this also. I hope it is clear to you. Now, features of ledger, you can say it is a primary book of accounts, but it is very basic, because journal के बाद हम classification करते हैं, we classify the accounts, so it is very important, and the transactions are classified in appropriate heads called accounts. ये मैंने आपको बोल दिया, journal entries में जितने भी all the accounts which were used, all the names which were used in your journal entries, उनका individually appropriate heads के अंदर account खुलेगा और हर एक की entry उसके ऊपर चली जाएगी. सर, bank account of the proprietor or business is an asset, it means real account. Bank account of the proprietor or business. Bank account of the proprietor is a different thing, and bank account of the business is a different thing. We proprietor and business are both separate entities. So bank account of the business is a real account because it is an asset. Bank account of the proprietor is his personal account, उसका business से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I hope it is clear to you, Dinesh. So then what we do is, we record the transactions in appropriate heads, then they are condensed and summarized. अब ये कैसे करते हैं, that we will learn. जैसे जैसे we will move on today, we will learn कि how to condense them. Condense them means nutshell निकालना है. Either I have to pay money to that person or I will receive money from him. उसका nutshell निकालते हैं. Transactions का nutshell. उसको पैसा देना है या उससे पैसा लेना है. Either I have to pay him the money or I would be receiving money from him. तो उसको बोलते हैं condensed form में summarize कर देना. फिर information contained in ledger accounts can be used to draw conclusions regarding the status of any account. अब conclusion regarding the status of any account का meaning यही है कि we can see whether we have to pay him the money, whether we have to receive money from that, or whether it is an asset or a liability. Accordingly, we can get the information from these ledger accounts. Then after we have this ledger business transaction goes to journal, from journal it goes to ledger, and then it goes to trial balance. After that you can make final accounts or financial statements. So this ledger is very important or basis of preparing final accounts. सर जॉन नटशेल तो ट्रायल बैलेंस में निकालते हैं, ट्रायल बैलेंस नटशेल निकालते हैं, पर यहां पे अकाउंट का नटशेल निकालते हैं. ट्रायल बैलेंस के अंदर वी फाइंड द नटशेल ऑफ द होल सिस्टम ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, एवरी अकाउंट का नटशेल. यहां पे इंडिविजुअल अकाउंट्स का नटशेल निकालते हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.